Hello class 6. Today we will learn about the circumcircle of a triangle. Circumcircle is also known as circumscribed circle. So let's say that there is a triangle ABC and a circle is formed on this triangle such that the vertex of triangle ABC, the vertex, these points will lie on the circumference of the circle. So if the circle is formed such that the vertices of the triangle is in the circle itself, then this circle is called the circumscribed circle or simply circumcircle. So here let's say the point O represents the center of the circumcircle. So basically a circle that touches the three vertices of a triangle is called the circumcircle of a triangle. So let's learn how to draw a circumcircle of a triangle. So let's say there is any triangle and name it as ABC. You can take any triangle whether it's scalene, right angled, isosceles, equilateral or whatever types of triangle you have learned. You can use any of the triangle in order to learn the process of drawing a circumcircle. So let's say that there is a triangle ABC, and in order to draw the circumcircle of this triangle, we have to take any two sides. I would prefer always you go for the two sides which are longer in length. So over here, I am choosing side BC and side AC. The two sides are selected so that these two sides are longer than this side AB. So I have chosen side BC and side AC. Now what to do after selecting these two sides? So we'll take the compass and keeping it at this point B, and the length of the radius of the compass should be greater than half of this length. Okay, so take approximately you take the length, the radius of the compass approximately longer than the half of this side BC, and draw a small arc this way. Similarly, with the same radius of the compass, you keep the needle out there only and draw another arc on the other side. With the same radius of the compass, keep it at point C and again draw the arc this way and on the other side as well. So when the two points of intersections are formed, then you draw the line joining the two points, this point and this point, and draw the dotted lines like this. So this is how you bisect or draw a perpendicular bisector for the line BC. So for line segment BC, you have drawn this as a perpendicular bisector. Next, you can erase the extra portions of the arcs. Okay, so I have erased it out here so that your work does not look untidy. All right, now it's time to bisect AC. So similarly, you take the compass now, keep it out here and draw an arc. So this time I am using a different color. While you are doing the construction, you will be using the same pencil. It won't be of different colors, but make sure that you don't get confused with the point of intersections. Those are formed out there. Next, from the same point C, the other side, you will draw an arc like this. Now with the same radius, from point A, you will draw an arc this way, and again on the other side also you will draw the arc. Now this different colors I have used over here, the red and the black one. The black one was used so that the point of intersections of line segment BC is to be done. Okay, now the red one I have used so that you can easily see that it's the point of intersections for the bisection of line segment AC. Now join this point and this point with the help of a dotted line like this. Okay, so from here you have to check the two point of intersections of the dotted lines. So this point is the point of intersection of the two dotted lines. So this point, keeping the needle of the compass out here now, then you take the length to any of the vertex either at point C or at point A or at point B. Take any of the radius such that from this point the tip of the pencil touches one of the vertex, either vertex C or vertex A or vertex B. So here I have selected vertex C. You can check whether the same radius will touch vertex A and B or not. If it touches, then your construction is correct. If your compass, if the tip of the pencil does not touch point A and point B, then there might be some mistake with your construction. So over here, from this point, okay, keeping the needle over here, from this point at the point of intersections of two dotted lines, you will draw the circle this way. Okay, and this circle will be the circumcircle of triangle ABC, and mark this point as point O. So point O is the center of the circumcircle, that circumcircle of the triangle ABC. Okay, similarly, this way you have to draw get the assignment done. Exercise 29b, page number 270, question number 1 and 2. Thank you.